more shit.
See that? More shit. More shit.
Alright, what's going on, everybody? Joel G 7.3. Got another good one for you today, folks. Got the new hat. Oh yeah, it looks good. I like it. No brand. Today in this video, we're going to be putting some Sinister black LED taillights, eBay specials. They actually have really good stuff on eBay. I'm very impressed by the mirror caps and such I've bought from there. These are really nice taillights. Taillights are taillights. I don't give a shit where you get them from. And then we also got an optic fiber third brake light up top that you can see right now. That's a little sneak peek for you. So that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. Got a couple other things I'm going to insert in the video. So hope y'all enjoy. Subscribe today for some more truck content. If you don't like truck content or you don't want to subscribe, no worries, ain't gonna hurt my feelings none, but I'm actually gonna get these bitches put in. Well, they're already put in, but we're gonna get them put in YouTube time, so get it rolling.
Song bringing me close.
Get this unboxed. Here we go. I wish it was actually a little darker. I couldn't tell offline, but I actually searched. I didn't just go with eBay ones because I'm cheap. It's not what it is. I like to spend money. So I went with these because they're actually the best looking ones. I like the sea look at night, and then they're smoked. No offense, William, but I'm not a big fan of the where you can see everything really well. So hopefully they're smoked enough for me. Smoked like my tires, not my drugs. So we're gonna get these put on. Look at that awesome, amazing packaging they put on this. Wow, this is great stuff. Oh Lord. Ooh. Sick, boy. It's supposed to be optic fire. That thing looks cool. I mean, it feels okay. This thing looks cool as shit, boy. Ooh, look at them LED light emitting diodes in there. Shot on iPhone. Milwaukee, not sponsored. So what we currently have here is these awesome, amazing red stock taillights that look terrible because the whole truck's almost blacked out, and then you got some red ass lights on the back of it, so we're gonna get those changed out. Alright, so out with that old red one. This one don't fit. Oh, yeah, well, never mind. Almost thought I pulled a William. I bought the wrong damn ones. Alright. I'm gonna get an LED for down there, so the YouTube magic, it'll be in the same video. I'm not gonna lie, these things look pretty, well, never mind. I thought they looked pretty sexy. They do though. All blacked out finally on this truck. I wish that I couldn't see that red on them, but it is what it is. Oh god, yes, boys. Pimping. So that's the difference right there. We're gonna see how bright my reverse lights are. No, they ain't shit. Look at them things. God, they're not even putting out any light.
No, they're not bright at all.
Probably because of the type of bulbs I bought. I need to change this. No, the bulbs I bought are like, they're like deflected in the front.
Can you peel the tin off or no? Probably not. They're probably just smoked.
Like my tires, not my drugs. So what I actually have to do is I'm going to upgrade. It's like a last minute thing. I'm going to upgrade. Can't get them out. These are Amazon specials. The reverse lights, because I bought LED ones that are not that bright. Don't buy from Advanced or Auto Parts Store. So these I'm going to be putting in on the reverse lights. Probably going to blind everybody, but they got like a projector at the end of them, so I'll pull them out of the bag and show y'all. All right, so these are the ones I put in it. As you can tell, they do okay. They're not bad, but they just don't shine well during the day. And I don't want anybody backing into me, so get these new ones put in. Had to fix some wires. So this is what we got here. Aux beam, light the way. God damn. I wanted to make sure they could shine out straight, because the ones I got right now have like a, I don't know what they got. They got like something in the front of them where they shine like this way. They don't shine straight out. So I want to make sure everybody can see the reverse lights. So we're going to get them put in. Oh yeah, they're pretty bright. They're still not crazy though. I thought they were going to be like insanely stupid bright, but I think everybody will be able to see me backing up now. So we're taking William with his first time to the corral, the trough. How you feeling?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Yeah.
Gotta bust down with trough.
That's right.
Should taste like Lysol.
So the greens taste like mush. He doesn't want to grab the handle.
Needs to hurry up, son. That's a cone, boy. No, exactly 1892.
Yeah, 1892.
Might as well bend this over.
Yeah, really. It was pretty gross. Wasn't too bad, but we ain't coming back here ever again.
They should pay me to eat that place. Fucking turbo sounds good.
I don't see any signs of water damage. That's a GM product, boy. That's why it's garbage. I'm just kidding. Oh wait, I messed up. I gotta redo it. Oh. Oh damn yeah. Can't be cussing. What's up at 7 honey? Taillights looking good. Those rock lights. Got the boost auto parts lights. was about quarter throttle. Look at them lights on that thing. Bet y'all didn't know your boy could jump like this. Oh, God, I made it. Yeah, that's right. All right, everybody, that's where we're going to conclude the video. It's been Joel G7.3, another one for you today, folks. Got William.
Signing off, boy.
I ain't even done the outro.
That was it right there, wasn't it?
No? You got to appreciate them for watching.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, no, we don't care. Get out of here.
For the few
Lost
that
my
are
train of
watching.
Yeah, for the 4 people that are watching this video, including my family, I appreciate everybody for watching. Subscribe today for some more truck content if you like that. If not, no worries. So, oh, William's already ready to go. Look at this kid. All right, well, I appreciate everybody for watching, and we're going to catch you on the flip side. Caught the hat, boy.